Hey guys, my name is Fatima Caser and today I'm going to be partnering up with Annabelle Cosmetics and I'm going to be doing a lip swatch video on 12 new lipsticks that they launched with their Edge collection. So to start, I'm going to be using the Mary Lip Scrub and this is the packaging for it. All the lipsticks as well as the lip scrub have this really cute diamond shape on it. So I'm just going to go in and just lightly buff my lips. They've been super dry lately and I love that you don't have to dip your fingers into this thing. I love that you can just kind of throw it in your purse if you want to exfoliate your lips on the go, and it gives your lips a really nice light buff. So I'm going to start off with the lip liner in Runway, and this is not normally a color that I would gravitate towards. However, I feel like if you have a much lighter or fair complexion, I feel like this would definitely suit your skin tone. It's basically like I'll show you the back of my hand, it's like a very pale pink. And you guys, I'm looking crazy right now. I'm gonna put on the shade Anna on top. And again, this is not something that I would wear with my skin tone. Definitely not for me, but I did want to showcase the entire collection so that you guys can see. I know I have a lot of viewers that have different skin tones. If you have a much fair, lighter complexion than I do, I feel like this would be a really pretty nude, and the lipsticks so far have a really great formula, but yeah, this is definitely not my color. So I'm using the lip liner in the shade Spotlight, and this is definitely a lot more wearable on my skin tone than the last liner. It's like a pretty pink shade, and I'm gonna go in with the color Bridget on top. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Definitely still on the lighter side of things, but it's a pretty pink. So I'm not entirely mad at this shade. It's definitely a little bit better than the last shade on me. However, I think this color Bridget would definitely suit someone with like light to medium skin tone. It's still a little bit too bright for me. So this is Rita, and I use the lip liner Showstopper. I think that this is a really beautiful, bright candy apple type of red. I don't normally wear super bright red lipsticks like this, but I feel like this is really flattering and something that I would wear a lot more during the holidays. So for the next shade, I'm going to be using this Backstage Anti-Feathering Lip Liner, and what I love about this is that it feels like a lip balm, so it's super hydrating. And I'm gonna be going in with the shade Kristen. So this is the shade Kristen, and I can already tell that this is gonna be one of my favorites. I absolutely love these cool toned like taupey lipsticks. I think it's really flattering, and I think it looks even good on its own without a colored lip liner. Very pretty shade. So that pretty much wraps up the end of the lip swatch portion. I just reapplied the shade Kristen on my lips. It's that nice taupe-ish color. I'm just gonna smoke out my eyes a little bit more. I love a good like nude lip and smoky eye combo. So I'm gonna be going in with the Carbon Black eyeliner from the Edge collection. I'm just gonna smoke out my lower lash line. I definitely smoked things up a little bit, and then I'm going to be going in with their Edge mascara. So this is what the wand looks like. Alright, so that definitely helped darken things up a bit, smoked out my lower lash line, and that pretty much wraps up the video. And as for the Edge Collection concept, I really love what it stands for. To me, it's all about feeling bold, empowered, beautiful in any lipstick shade that you're wearing. I know today I tried on a lot of crazy lipstick shades, but yeah, that pretty much wraps things up. If you're wondering where you can get the Edge Collection from, it's currently being sold across drugstores in Canada, and that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in my next one.